between the man and the woman. Obiani owo guyen sieneni yo. Etin yetari ya agbegbe agare mi beria. So they now took the kids, they took the children to Nigeria. Getting to Nigeria, she said she suggested that a mona giaro or wevi biome. He said the husband said, "Oh, ekima vie mona ye wevi bio because agawa vie mona yo wevi bio. If ni mame we planning ma yeti we wevi bio we banya wa do vie moji atonya do anoge we yari we webo we yari ima do vie mona ati Nigeria. Ma vie ati Nigeria ma gie evipi ma e no sunu uta mi juo uta metwe. Usho onyo ya mase because what am etwe iya ya no where was in one of your more ati Nigeria we are a webo. So the woman said he just agreed and they took the kids, they took the children to Nigeria. This one is Bini versus Igbo. Ona vio are in Nigeria. So the man came back to abroad. You know the time everybody only like ma work bese any ya mume viva ni ya so me wa emi no sunu ebona ni majena Igbo jiro and ebeni muhiana won ebena ma wegbe ma ya eti ya wina ekeniri na o pe police ya mume iwe fie bibi me if you latin ya se me ai neno pe ana koyo wona na like kinona ya wina ona riba ona ga wina wina wa migo iye migo na already ishiye no biye etinye iye maere ibinyere Nigeria ogwo pe aniye ome o pe aniye biena ori na wa play along because all the time all that finye yatamie etamijwe ge mo gweme etamijwe go na wona etamijwe ori na wa aro ori o ogana do do ona the say last year ori say last year o day January ina do time na ye imaya vipie canary at least ni maya vipie kana yodo evi pie me do suspect nere e moire kenije all the time ya agwe mo gwa iro wa riri wina iwona inwini wina mi awa where did they worry e more kekene mo wa je mo wa dey safe imagine me no a problem where panic abi in or wa retire na ye we o wori ye marriage soto ye na do awere ye wa fi omo ye fi o ne odafie no fi omo pa odafie fi omo pa wera guana ye ma wasunu na wera what
they hear you
we charge you no pyro
talk we they hear
excuse me
okay una dey listen women go open your eye carry your children go drop for Nigeria.
Please close the door.
You go dey here, you go dey Western world. You go drop your children for darkness.
In Nigeria.
Okay.
A family do I just know I be or you know to tamu dafien or dafiena or less boyata mia or who tamia war in reason cinema tamia or you know to lock up or better me very big ya or dafio back in Nigeria in Asia Nigeria because a beno queen yash in Nigeria or you know to atamag every no soon since you were a bit.
Yes.
I no fear or Onuja will go on a bona. Where fiane, where do you pena, where do you pena ni me?
Yes.
Okay, worry, whether that was that voice, or Magake, ya wow, radio, dejo, no ni escape, or one of our posting. Oh, is it Leona do you last year? It coronavirus in Aduana do article in a very bad we ye wanna have here monary. Or one in story of a coronavirus bele mabetian, Nevita do soon, Nado Mire, Manirema, will buy Movedo, or one of our tabby or in our monkey in Iowa. Oh, he might kiashi. You know what we go even during the time of the coronavirus, or we talk the Anajeli and Tuaki. In Asia, Lelave Bono, Catoa Muye, Esebe to Muye, who were coronavirus, or Benevi Miego. Ye wa kokigo, igo ye mai. Oye
You see?
You might have a project, we don't do the thing what they do, we don't do enrich here, we don't do enrich this.
So really, 99%.
Can I continue to be a Mungu? Because where I born, I not see. The project what they do, me, I know they understand the project. And in Nigeria, I show, yes.
Oh, yes, yes. Yes.
So for us to be on big problem,
yes.
Everything is so bright. Are you gonna do feel more right now? If that is the case, or you feel where you are according to their tradition in area because why encourage me ya women now?
So really, I don't know God will create you. Yes.
Where if you muscle wa, if you can't people, oh God is so well, is so money well, oh one way so say no cocky women. When Matamame or one is where ye no one where ye anything. O Matamame, if not that, or is saying I am more than another doing that feel or woman. O Matamame or one wet ye ask their ass up, needs ye or wet ye that little boy was in chair. Or get a bench of money, they bench the child on chair. Anytime I call, I always see that they've changed the child. Sometimes a video call, you two young found a biscuit, so the boy didn't say anything, and the rest of his own senior brothers, they could not say anything. It's like they don't tell and say, if your mommy call, don't tell your mommy that so person has injury. If you say it, we will kill you here.
We not understand the message.
The man could not even let his wife know that. Oh, when I walk a dating flower money at Nigeria. Sorry, so that they will know what to do. Or matter.
You see? Okay.
Because
yes.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Why is Nigeria last 2 weeks we have a problem but is that I need my keys.
Yes.
Because if you cannot bring back my keys, with my police.
Okay.
Because Nigeria. Make a problem.
Don't do. It's okay. I don't want to listen again. Now they hear the message says, I want to use English to interpret some area. Nigeria women in Western world, where they carry their children, to carry their children go back to Nigeria, where their papa and their mama go the Western world because of their rubbish work. They'll say they want to carry their children, go drop for Africa, for Nigeria. You not go ask yourself, you carry your children, go dump for Nigeria. Inside darkness. But you dey inside light. You dey where they know they sees light. You carry your children. You go put for inside darkness. My sister, let me tell you, if you did this message, you did this matter. If you know say you don't do one, and you dey plan to do one, all of you now inside. All those boys, men, where they tell their girlfriend or their wife, say, me will carry this our pikin, go Nigeria, so that me for find money. Be like say, all those girls, who now the crazy will be not come for now brain. Which kind of love be that one? You go born your pikin for Western world. You will carry and go drop for Africa. If your pikin go for visit, different case. Not be say you go drop am for that side. You come here, come they do rubbish for all those rubbish work. Now hear this message since because of some people we know they understand Benin language. If you know say you want do one, you dey plan to do one, or you don't already do one, go and pick your children. Go and bring your children to Western world. May they develop. People where in Nigeria, check yourself. Ask them if you don't know. Check. All those people where get money for Nigeria, their children in Nigeria. All those people, all those children, all those people where people say they get money where their children, where they for they go school. Not be Western world. Their children not in Nigeria. If their children, their wife want born, they will carry and come Western world. Come born. They want born citizen. You were born citizen already. You want carry your pikin, carry your children, go drop for inside darkness. How many months Nigeria don't celebrate light? They see 1 month or 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, 11 months, or a year. Nigeria celebrate a light. It don't happen? No. So, now darkness now, you born your pikin for Western world, where they not the sees light. Only the light alone. Even if person, adult, you dey feel headache, you go hospital, the way their doctor will take attend to you, you go the one that say, Abi, na president Abi. But for Nigeria, person they die, don't say me go bring doctor report, or me go bring police report. That's why Nigeria no value human being. If papa and mama want go sit down for Nigeria, no problem. Wanna go stay because the Nigeria they for born una. But the children wanna born for Western world. Wanna not carry them, go drop. If say maybe they go for visit, no problem. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, they come back. Yes. For then go stay there. Papa, mama, the Western world. Not come up for your head. Una hear this message since after they carry their children go Nigeria, go stay. At the end of the day, they come cut one of their pikin leg. You know many people who talk you come out. Now we dey hear. Many are dying. that Nigeria. Not be who get internet, who get big phone to record something. Now I go record where we they see for social media. Many things they happen for that Nigeria where we not they see, we not they hear at all. Because they don't get phone to record them. They don't get internet to post them for net. Plus, thousand plus. My sister, please, if you know say your children in Nigeria, now Europe, now Western world for born, please go and take your children back to Western world. You see this my hair so as it shine. If na Nigeria, I no go shine. Now only we get money, now their hair they shine. If you not get money, you'll be like who they pour sand for your head. No matter, no food where you go eat for Nigeria, you will not get rest of mind because killy, fighty here and there, everywhere. Boom, shoot gun everywhere. Some people go Nigeria, they know they stay, reach 2 months, they don't run come back. Wait till I want to ask question. Wait till some people don't understand. Nigeria citizen, wait till we don't understand though. Nigeria citizen, we dey Western world. We dey country will not be our own. We save, we protect. Our own country will not dey save. Why it be say any Nigeria citizen go back to Nigeria for a visit? They go they carry security follow body, carry soldier, carry mopo, carry police, follow body. Your whole country, you they carry soldier follow body to guide you. You not go no say you not safe for your whole country. But for Western world where you they stay, nobody they guide you, but you are free to move anywhere you like. You save. Your whole country where they for born you, you they carry soldier till they guide yourself. You don't know say you not safe. Now you open your eye. Picking where you born, children where you born for Western world, you will carry them. Go drop for Africa. Go drop for Nigeria. All those big men, their children, they go school for Western world. If their children, they sick, they will carry and go Western world. They will carry them come Western world. You want to carry your own, go drop for that side. Now back you they go, or now front you they go. All those kind of things be like person where you reach. Person where you reign for city. At the end of the day, you go marry for village. And so it be. You born your children for Western world. You reign for Western world. You go drop them for Africa, for Nigeria. Teach your children your language for Western world. They will understand. They will hear. Not be by you go drop them for Nigeria. How you take train your children. Now they will learn. If you did this message, change your way. One, remove your children out of that country. Bring them to Western world. Men, una way they send una wife send una girlfriend, may they carry children where they born for una. Go drop for Nigeria because of may they work money for you. They cut your hand, they don't go work. Rubbish. Some men still day where we say you give woman belly for the Western world, you go send her, go another country. When you know say you never reach to marry two wives or to even marry at all. If you know say you capable to marry, you are a man of katiba. You are a man of speaking truth. You know, pull that woman, join yourself, wanna stay together. You give woman belly, you send her and go another country. You go to another country with another woman. You go give another woman belly, you send her and go another country. You are not a man. You are not a man. You are a half man, half man. If you know say you are a man, they don't hold you not to marry 2 wives, 3 wives, 4 wives. Put them the same house where you are living. Live with them. We will not say, yeah, you are a man. Not be you send your wife go another country. You will deal with another woman for another country. You are a disgrace to all men. Stay with your wife. Even if you marry 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Stay with them. Rubbish.